Nezodine Nabi this evening has to be Wandile Duba returning and of course starting, and he now joins me because we need to look at just how the season has unraveled but also getting the all-important goal. Wandile, let's just talk about that. Upon your start, post the injury, ukhona ukuthi uthole igoli.
Befanele ngikore namhlanje ungiqalise ngoba ngithemba ukuthi vele ngizokora amagoli.
And what do coach Mongtembile ngizodeliver. And bekusele kancane ukuthi uthole assist.
Eish, mistake ayenzeka solungisa next game for sure mengiphinde ngicrosser uzokora. Into efanele silungise ejimini.
Asikhulume ngother way futhi uyithola ngakhona igoli because you were willing to put your body on the line. Sibonile mawusukuma still ukuthi awusekho that comfortable ngathi ulimele kancane.
Bengamane ngiphuke at least masithola igol for the 3 points namhlanje besidinga kakhulu especially after lama results ayithu esidlule khona namhlanje besidinga ukwini.
Asikhulume ngother ukuthi imentality ingakhona ukuthi ishintshe ukuthi sikhona ukuthola a Kaizer Chiefs team that can perform week in week out consistently.
Mentality ishintshile just nje ukuthi si lose concentration during the game lo ama mistake amancane ekusafanele swalungise vele.
And do you think le result yanamhlanje bezoba nkulu because ubheka ukuthi kuza ini and it's a cup game and bafuna ukuthi ku cup game ungene at least umoya uphezulu?
Yeah, besifanele sona namhlanje at least izosineza confidence ngoba siyazi next week idlala nani the biggest kwi league, so befanele sona namhlanje, but I think ne draw izosineza le confidence encane going to the next game.
Asikhulume ngeperformance yakho especially ku first half because 4 of the 5 goals osuwakorile this season ukora nge first half.
Shoot into yami isebenza ugogo wami uthe ngizokora first half kuphela.
Wandile, with that said, just a message to the Kosi faithfuls ukuthi bangapheli umoya.
Hayi bayazi kade siyasisho lento le for sure sebakhathala na, but lokhu iza kancane kancane sizolusilungisa. iNedbank siyabathembisa sizoyideliver.
Hey, bold statement there ngibonga kakhulu.
Ngiyabonga.
Wandile Duba